You guys, we have some PopMart goodies. We have some goodies from PopMart. Not only one, but 2 boxes to unbox from PopMart. Labubu. I think we'll start with the smaller box. What is Lazy Yoga Boo Boo and the Cow Yokoyama figurine? Cute, right? I like robots, so we will not open those yet. I'll open the big box first. Oh, it's Baby Molly's showcase display. Oh my god, it's huge. Yeah, it's a display case for the figurines. The figurines needed a place to stay, but that's bad because now I'm gonna want more to fill up the case. Last but not least, I got Fall in the Wild, the Boo Boo. Isn't it adorbies? Adorbies. Time to set them free. Welcome back. It's time to unbox these PopMart haul. Oh my god, there's stickers, you guys. Stickers. Big stickers. Whoa, I need help. Oh, it's magnet and it opens from the top. And then they sit in there and display. Look at the back. It's so cute. It's like graffiti, but this is Baby Molly. But I got it because it was white and I wanted to display my Labubus. Let's open some blind boxes. I want to do this one first. Lazy Yoga. Let's go. That was a bad pull. Why are some of these boxes so hard to do? I'm not gonna look. My bad. Are you ready? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's like furry. It's flopped. Oh my god. Is he doing yoga with coffee? I love this one. Don't tell me it's a secret. What's the secret? Oh no. I got him. That's the one I got. Oh my god, isn't it so cute though? Oh, it is a coffee because his name is Americano. So cute. Now I have a display for that. Next, Cow Yokoyama. They make these so hard. What in the world? Just open it. Huh? They look different. Oh my god, what is this? And this is the cat. Did that like ruin the surprise? But now, I have figurines that can fit in the display. I'm so bad. That is my haul. And this one, I'm not gonna unbox just yet. He's so adorable though. I don't even know how many I have at this point. That is my PopMart haul. Bye. How cute is the baggie? I got more Labubu stuff. I know, I'm bad. But we are gonna unbox or unpackage. Look!
My Labubus had babies.
It's the tiny mini ones. Open it with me. How cute. They do all this packaging and then I get this packaging. Ah! I love all the details, guys. The small things make me happy. Literally. The small things. No. Have a little black backpack for the Labu. And inside of it has tiny Labubs. Oh my god. I can make it into a keychain. So my keychain Labubu will have his own keychain Labubu, right? Oh my god, and they're flocked. They have little tiny fur on them. It's soft. So we got like a light green one sitting down. Oh, another sitting down one sleeping. Like an orange one. And the last one is... is it blue? It's blue, yes. That's so cute. So we got 3 tiny ones. 3 tiny boo-boos. His backpack. Isn't it cute? And this is my custom Coca-Cola when I took off the bottle and the hat. So it looks like a mini Zimomo, right? But look. How adorable. That is the cutest thing. That's my latest purchase. I'm so deep in this Labubu craze. You guys send help. Bye. Another Labubu. This one is the Coca-Cola series. There's only 3 you can get. So you got one that's holding a bottle. Surprise shake standing up. And the other one is sitting down. And then the secret one. Yeah. Oh, that one was easy. Why aren't they all that easy? Oh my god, I see it already. I got surprise shake. That's what I wanted. Standing up. And they come with these weighted bags, like so people can't weigh the box and know what's in it. Oh my god, it's so adorable. Adorable. But we're gonna make it perf. I don't drink Coke anyway. And it's not Christmas anymore. We got the handy dandy scissors. Got the cookie off. Snippy snip. And finally. Perfect, right? Loves. That is Labubu, okay, Coca-Cola. Customized by Mla. Bye. Look what I got! Labu, 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 Labu. I got into the wild, in the wild? Fall in wild. Labubu. So yeah, that's, you guys get first sneak peek before I unbox them. Alright, see you guys, bye. Oh, he's so cute. Not another one. Guys, someone stop me. I really need to be stopped. This has to be my last one. No more, you guys. Anyways, let's get unboxing. Can you guess what it is? By the size? Can you see? No. Don't break the box. Why am I nervous? Let's unbox together, guys. I don't know if it's upside down or what. Ah! Can you see it? Why is that box covering it? Like, why is this random piece there? Oh my god, you guys. I got time to chill. Sir, can you come here? Oh, he's so cute. Oh my god, he's like furry the house. I think he's like extra fluffy. Do you see his hands? Guys, this is my 4th medium-sized Labubu. And I have a Zima wall. Don't even ask me how many keychains I have. Send help. Go to part 2 for unboxing. Welcome back. We are gonna unbox Labubu. Time to chill. Let's get him out. Let's free him. I always have difficulties. I'm so excited. Is this a pull out one? Do I have to pull the whole thing out? Yep. Oh, this one's gonna be hard to unbox. I know already. Come out, Labubu. Okay, he's out of the box. Ah. Yeah, so their eyes move. We can do silly eyes. I usually like to leave them like, I don't know, like that maybe. Or that. Anyways, let's get him out. Look at his overalls. And a hoodie. Yeah. Hello. Oh. Oh my god, so soft. So soft. Okay, this might not be too hard. I think we just cut these and we're good. The tape. Okay, 1. 2. Oh, there. Oh, he's just stuck. His feet is stuck in the plastic. It's tied down. I told you it would be a hard one. Oh, is that it? What is happening? Come on. Oh my god, what the fuck? He's free. He's cute. Oh, he's not the sitting down one, so. Oh wait, is he? Oh, he is. Wait. I did one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Yeah, they're jointed, so I can sit down. Oh my god, see how furry he is? See how furry? You're so cute! And in his hoodie that won't fit his head, but yeah. Oh my god, I love. Love, 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 love. Labu, labu. Anyways, send help, guys. This is time to chill, Labubu. Bye.